Speech off.
Okay, so I'm doing a recording using voice memo, and I'm going to later on copy that to Recorder H2 and set it up as a video file, and then I will send it to YouTube. Now basically I could do a video on YouTube itself and upload it and people can see. The trouble with that is, that's not the issue. The issue is I can't see what's going on with this video filming. So, while other people can actually see, I can't. So it makes it difficult for me to do videos like anyone who can see. Just makes it very difficult. So I can only do what I know, and I do notice that if I do an upload on YouTube itself, people tend to view it more because they can see some type of picture or film of some kind, I don't know. They can see something. If they can't see, then why just listen to audio? Well, the fact is, I can't really help it actually. I can't help that. I have a really hard time doing videos, so I can understand if people go, oh, I can't see a picture and it's boring because I don't want to just hear what you're saying, I want to see what is going on too. I can understand that. That's fair enough. But, sorry, but I can't do anything about that unless I have a sighted person help me, or you're just lucky enough that I can't see what I'm doing, but I might just be accidentally doing the right type of videoing without noticing, not being able to see it. You're lucky if I accidentally do something correct and I wouldn't even know it. I could be making a really nice video using the YouTube app and not even realise that I made a lovely video. Unless I specifically ask a sighted person, hey, can you do a videotape of this for me please? Then, unless I do that, I have no idea. So, yeah, that's basically the scoop on that one. So right now, I'm just doing an audio video blog, using a recorder app in the phone. Because I can then save it to another recording app and then upload that to the camera as a video format file and upload that to YouTube. Now that will come out just as an audio file using video format, and you guys are going to be like, what? But but that's the thing. If I do an upload using the YouTube, app, people will go, oh wow, I can see a picture there. That's good, but I can't see anything, so I don't know what I'm actually doing. I don't know that I'm making the videos nice or not very nice, or there's a picture or there's no picture. I don't know any of that. So yeah, sorry if some of the videos don't appeal to you, and I did upload some files that I had on my phone some weeks ago, so I don't mean it if it doesn't appeal in any way, but at the same time it sort of can't, well, it can't really be helped, I'm afraid. I guess I can't explain it any better, but it honestly can't be helped. And I don't mean it, but it's just how it is. There are some blind people who, I don't know how they do it, they somehow manage to make YouTube videos. They could possibly see a little bit to do that, but if you're a total blind, like totally blind, I don't think it's very easy, and it takes a lot of time and effort. If you wanted to do an audio, log, video log, and you wanted footage in it, you'd need someone or some type of setup somehow that would let you know that you're doing a nice visual type of video when you're talking. So I don't know. I have no idea, sorry guys, but there's not much I can do about that, sorry, I can't help that. I'd like to help it, I do want to help it, and if I could I would. But yeah, sorry for now, I'm afraid, because yeah, there's not really much I can do, guys. Really, there's not much I can do. Other than just hope for the best and say good luck with hearing my audio recordings, and if you don't see the picture, if there's just no picture or anything, then sorry, but I can't do it any other way. I can try, but it's not going to be as good as someone who can see what they're doing. Yeah. I don't know what else to do. So yeah, at the moment I'm doing the dishes, and yeah.
Speech on. Thursday, the 30th. New recording. Play. Pause. Done. Pause recording. Play. Dimmed. Button. Speech off.
Okay, I'm back. And I'm going to make some toast.
8 a.m. on the first Saturday of every month in Tingalpa. The purpose is to build strong relationships in a relaxed environment, enjoying good company and good food. Find out more info at facebook.com/KLC Brisbane.
Get your event to 96.5's community calendar, 96FIBE.com. Your family's number one, 96.5. I'm gonna pick up the pieces.
Right. That's that. Now I'm just going to set the jug up for coffee. the door open. Because of course, if I have all the house open, the neighbours can hear me and they're going to repeat everything I say, aren't they? They do that around here. They go, oh, Michelle said, and I heard this and I heard that too, and blah, 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 blah. And I'm just like, guys, stop it. Just stop it. I just think if people's lives have to be that boring that they have to make time to repeat a conversation that you had with someone, or repeat what you said to everyone else in the neighbourhood, what you said to them, you might say, oh, I'm sick of all the whinging, just stop it. And then that person will go and say it to every single person they know in town, or at least in my context around here, in the whole neighbourhood. And you're like, guys, shut up. What I said to you refers to that group of people that I spoke to. Maybe the whole world needs to hear it, but I should have been the one that told the world, not you. Oh well, that's what happened. And I found out from my report worker yesterday because I didn't do a recording because there was way too much confidential information that I didn't want to record. I should have recorded going to the advice to get my new microwave. That would have been awesome. But I didn't, so that's just too bad. Too bad, sucking so sad. Oh well. Oh well. Anyway, on toast, I'm going to have chicken and cheese, and you can hear me use my microwave. So yes, I'm keeping the house shut up so that the neighbours will shut up. Oh man, that's how we're talking and everything like I said. I can't stand all that crap. That is just shit. That is the stuff I said. I can't stand hearing all the shit. Can't stand all the complaints. Can't stand it when all we ever do is complain and talk about a whole heap of shit all the time. It's true. And because it was spread around, I had to tell the maintenance, the groundsman, that, well, hang on. Yeah, I did say all of that because one, it's true, and two, whoa, what was, whoa, whoa, shit. Oh, Jesus, I thought something was going wrong then. I bumped the bloody kettle button. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Didn't mean that at all. Anyway, as I was saying, yes, it's true. I'm sick of hearing all the shit and all the bloody complaints from everyone about everyone else. That's true. People need to stop it. And secondly, the so-and-so said, he said, she said, so-and-so said needs to stop as well. And it hasn't stopped, it's getting worse. And basically it's how it is, and yeah, maybe the whole world needed to hear what I said. The problem with that is, I didn't say it. I didn't say any of it. The other people who were at sports went around and said, this is what I said. So it went around Link Vision. It went around. Now, I could have gone around. Yeah, I could have told everyone myself. But all I meant was, a few people at sports, listen here, I'm sick of all this shit and I don't want to hear any more complaints about stuff. That was directed to them. But no, they had to go around and say, this is what Michelle, or if you insert so-and-so said, he said, she said, so-and-so said. That's that's another example of these people went around and said so-and-so said. That happened to be me, of course. And I'm just like, for God's sakes, guys, grow up. Just grow up. Up that cheese too, I'll put that on my toast, and I'll put the chicken on my toast too. So, there. Okay. I love that chicken from Woolworths. Yum. Just waiting for the toaster to cook. Come on, toast, hurry up. But yeah, it's the case of I say something to someone because I mean to that person, this is what I can't tolerate anymore. And then that person goes around and says, oh, I don't like what Michelle said. And then everybody finds out. I'm just like, you know, I have had enough. That's enough. Just stop it. Don't say any more shit to me about nothing. I don't want to know about it. I don't care about it. Don't want to hear it. I'm not interested anymore. So, yeah. Me and the groundsman kind of cracked the shits yesterday. Because, yeah, all people ever want to do is complain. Complain, complain, whinge, spread bloody gossip. And when I told the support worker yesterday, if it continues, I'll be writing a lot of letters and getting a lot of friggin' people punished and facing some consequences. She said, oh, how about you just move on and don't even say anything because people are like that and it's not going to change just because you do all of that. I just think, oh my God, come and friggin' save me, please. That's what I think. Every time something happens, I'm like, God, come and friggin' save me, please. I don't say it like I'm only sincere about it today because tomorrow I don't mean it. I really mean it like, God, come and save me, please. Don't save me today and forget me tomorrow. Save me today and tomorrow and next week and next month and forever after that, so I can live happily after. Thank you very much. Please come and save me right now for all of the time, not just today and forget me tomorrow and no worries next year. No, forever, please. Thank you. And then I just put that all out of my mind and forget everything and just focus on living my life. Sorry for that annoying cough, guys. I can't help it. I really can't help it. Okay, I'll put that in the fridge. In the fridge. Now I'm going to do chicken. I really love chicken. Yum. I love my chicken, especially from Woolworths. That's yum. Chicken from Woolworths is beautiful. Yum. Bit of chicken for that toast. Basically broke it all up yesterday and put it all in a container. Yum. 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 Chicken. Chicken from Woolworths is absolutely beautiful. It is very yummy. Good. Now I can put the chook in the fridge. Right, now I'm going to put the cheese on the toast. Get out 2 slices of cheese here. That's if I can get it. 2 bits of cheese. It's not a problem with me eating cheese, it's the fact that I eat too much cheese, that's the problem. Not that I eat the cheese. It's not the cheese that's a problem, it's eating too much cheese. Oh, this bloody chicken. Get on the bread, get on. So now I have to microwave this plate with cheese on it and it's not sitting. Now I'm going to open the microwave. I'm going to put that in there. Sure that that actually sits in the middle. Now what Di did for me yesterday, she put Velcro on the stop and Velcro on the start. Okay, make sure that works, yep. Then she put all of the dot buttons, you know, bump dots, sticker buttons, all over the number pad so it feels like a phone keypad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 in the middle of stop and then start. So I'm going to do 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, start. So I only need to put it in there for 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Just going to open it up and have a feel of it, see if it's melted or not. It needs a bit more time. Needs a little bit more time. Oh yeah. Okay. Feel that? Oh yeah, that's perfect. So yeah, that toast only needed 1 minute in the microwave. Now, I'm just going to leave that there. Actually, will it fit on the stove? Because I don't want to burn the bench, do I? Because that wouldn't be good. Now, make sure that's all clear. And then I'm going to turn that plug off at the power point. Right. So that's my cheese melted for 1 minute in the microwave. In the fucking brand new microwave. And when I had a microwave up in Cairns, you had to melt things for 1.5 minutes. I don't know if I had the power thing set wrong or what. I wouldn't have a clue. But something wasn't right. And anyway, it worked. It just took longer, which is my entire point. It worked, but it took longer to do anything. In other words, it worked if you took your time with it. It worked if you took your time with it, but yeah, well, you didn't have to fiddle around with it as much as you had to turn the microwave on, and sometimes it would work properly, and just depending on what you had in it, of course. And other times you had to microwave it for like a while, quite a while, you know, 2 or 3 minutes. Oh shit, hang on, I bumped my phone. 2 or 3 minutes to do something simple. If you wanted to melt chicken and cheese on toast, for example, you had to do it for a minute and a bit. See, with this microwave, you only need to nuke it for a minute, and it's done. So because of that, you get very little radiation from it. Very little. It affects the food, it doesn't affect you. So then you can just do stuff. Now, I'm going to see how it tastes after all of that. I reckon it will be very yummy. I reckon it will be very nice. Because all I wanted to do is nuke something in the microwave for a minute, just to say, yep, it's done. Oh yeah, my coffee's okay. I was going to nuke it for 15 seconds in the microwave, but I don't need to do that. See, 15 seconds. Wow, this is amazing. This is absolutely amazing. I have got melted cheese and chicken on toast. Mmm. Mmm. Yum.
In this bulletin, Malcolm Turnbull's strong words against North Korea. Brisbane bus drivers strike again, and Nick Kyrgios out of the US tennis Open.
Yum.
The Prime Minister has labelled North Korea a standard merchant as the nuclear crisis intensifies. The US has signalled military action may be needed to make Pyongyang speak sense. Malcolm Turnbull has told Channel 7 it's an option to help the region.
Now, to admit the oven's better, but like it takes 10 minutes to grill something simple as chicken and cheese.
To not impose sanctions.
Mr Turnbull is calling for greater economic pressure on the road state. Hundreds of Brisbane City Council bus drivers are on strike again after 2 separate assaults on drivers exacerbated a long-running industrial dispute. Bus drivers and other council workers have stopped work until 2 this afternoon. They will return for work for just a few hours before walking off the job again tonight at 6 o'clock for a further 4 hours. The Rail, Tram and Bus Union says an assault on a driver on Saturday and again on Tuesday has increased the concerns of members negotiating for improved security measures. The co-ed Catholic secondary school in New South Wales will consider allowing students to wear a gender-neutral uniform to class. The principal of Trinity Catholic College in Lismore raised the issue in a letter to parents about the pastoral care of 2 students with gender identity issues. On social media, Brother John Gillett said they would look at in the near future.
Yum.
We're being urged to educate ourselves on how to help people living with dementia and their carers. A study has found 95% of people with dementia experience.
But yeah, the basic thing is I can melt cheese in the microwave now for a minute, and yeah, it's fine. Mmm. Mmm.
So that supportive element in the environment and making sure that we're more inclusive as a community.
Maureen McKay says Alzheimer's is a challenging experience and social prejudice only adds to the challenge. Turning to sport, and in the tennis, John Millman is through to the second round of the US Open after a stunning victory over fellow Aussie Nick Kyrgios 6-3, 1-6, 6-4, 6-1. Kyrgios complained of shoulder troubles and was deducted a point after smashing his racket. It is a major stop for John Millman after an injury-plagued career. Nick Kyrgios hopes the 28-year-old Queenslander goes deep into the draw.
I get happy when, I see someone like that been through a lot. He's got a good opportunity. Obviously.
So yeah, this is a really yummy feed, I must say.
John Millman's win was a victory, but it was a hollow one.
And well,
It says it's likely that Wade Graham will be rested this weekend if his team can't make the NRL top 4. Parramatta can lock in 4th spot with a win tomorrow night against Souths. That's the latest news.
nuking something for 20 seconds in the microwave's not so bad.
Spring is in the air, which means it's time to get
let's just hope it doesn't bloody play out this time.
With a call to Hoo Carpet Cleaning and Pest Management. Give your couches and leathers a freshen up with our exclusive spring specials. Station sponsor Hoo Carpet Cleaning and Pest Management. Mention notice expired for our exclusive spring special. Call 1300 946 946 or see hoohoo.com.au.
We're family's number one, 96.5.
I love the chickens at Woolworths. So it's nice and peaceful in the house at the moment. Later on, if anything's going on, I think anyway, I possibly will have the back door open. The veranda's considered the front and the laundry's considered the back. So, the back door open and I'll let you hear all the bloody shit that neighbours do along the way. Because when I've got the house shut up and only the front balcony open, it's fine, peaceful and happy. But the neighbour next to the person who's obnoxious and loud, she hears everything and puts up with it all the time. But yeah, how good would it have been yesterday to record me going to the Good Guys. Wow. I could have did that, but I would have had to play and delete any audio that I didn't want on there, that's all. Oh well. This is beautiful. This is yum. So yeah, don't know what'll be happening today, but yeah. Yum. Only took me 15 minutes to prepare brekkie today, If it had included the oven, it would have been half an hour. Now, if you're doing a very big open grill where you need to do tomato and bit of lettuce and avocados and all that, you do have to use the oven for it. But if you're doing something like baked beans and cheese or something where you don't need to use the oven, you just do it in the microwave. Got it on a nice peaceful radio station and I'm happy. It's nice and cool today too. Very cool.
Building better families.
Yum, that was beautiful. That bloody, 1 minute in the bloody microwave, 60 seconds. Well, all I can say is success, success, success. Bloody cough. Ugh, yuck. Oh well, it's all good. I'm quite happy today. I paid $50 for a 3-year warranty on that microwave yesterday, and I said I couldn't give I didn't swear at them. I was thinking I couldn't give a flying fuck what anybody thinks. If that's what I want, I'll get it, because it's better if you have more time to replace or fix a product if something's wrong with it. And you're better off wasting a bit of money that you don't need than not wasting money when you might be in a situation that you needed to do that. It's sort of a bit of insurance that is a bit of a waste, but if you need it, it's not a waste. It's like bloody everything in the world. If you insure stuff, they're as friendly as and want to do anything for you. And only $50 to get a 3 years warranty? Oh, good. I don't care. I'll pay 3-year warranty for it. Not a bloody problem. Not an issue. Because it's $170 for the 1-year warranty. Oh, not for the warranty, the microwave, and the year warranty is free. And I thought, yeah, something could happen the year after that or the year after that. So maybe it won't, maybe probably not, but we'll see what happens and hope for the best. And at least I've paid for a 3-year warranty, so if anything goes wrong, I can say, oh well, I have time to replace it. And it won't be a waste of money, because if I need a new microwave in the time, for some reason, someone puts something on it and I don't find out till it blows up, or somebody's stupid enough to use my microwave without me knowing until I realise it's too late and something can go wrong behind my back, anything can happen. Then I can just get a free new microwave without having to pay for it. Which, paying $50 for a new microwave if this one fucks up is pretty good, especially since you get a new microwave which will be however much the price is, but you're getting it for free without paying $200 or $300. You're essentially paying $50 for a bloody $300 or $400 microwave, if that's what you go to the extent of getting, if you stuff up the, first one that you got with the 3-year warranty on it, which I think is just fucking fantastic. And it works like a bloody breeze too. It works like a dream. I hope it continues that way. I hope it bloody continues that way, working like a dream. I'd be really pissed if it didn't. And now that I've got all that shit organised, I don't need to go, oh, I've got an hour to eat lunch and I need to put something in the oven for 20 minutes. Oh shit, I could just put something in the microwave for 5 minutes. And then, spend the next 40 minutes eating. Yeah, mate, happy. Now I'll get used to how things are and just work with it then. So, yeah. Yep. I've heard that you can actually put fresh veggies in the microwave, like a bit of broccoli and cauliflower in a container, which I won't be doing that, but you can, and put water in it and essentially steam the veggies from inside out. They'll steam, which means you could do them for about 2 or 3 minutes in the microwave and they'll be ready to eat, apparently. I don't know, but I don't think I'd do that. I certainly wouldn't do it. I don't know, I'd just... Yeah. I've pretty much decided I'll defrost things in the microwave. If it's frozen and I want to cook it, I have to defrost it. So I want to defrost it in about 2 minutes and then cook it. Yeah. But it has to be pre-cooked. I have to defrost whatever's frozen, cook it up in the oven or stove or whatever. Then, next day, preheat reheat in the microwave for a minute.
$1,000 of dead money every month. Now is the time to stop
So yeah,
and start building equity in your own home.
that'll be really good, I reckon.
Today, Kevin and Amanda from Stop Renting Today can tell you how. There's $3,500 to get started. Stop wasting rent money now and get into your own home. Head to station sponsor stoprentingtoday.com.au. Stoprentingtoday.com.au. T's and C's apply.
The Global Leadership Summit is fresh, actionable and inspiring leadership content from a world-class faculty, featuring Bill Hybels, Facebook COO Sheryl Sandberg, Pastor Andy Stanley, IJM founder Gary Haugen, and more. Experience the GLS via videocast in Ipswich October 5 and 6, North Lakes October 13 and 14, and Springwood October 20 and 21. Everyone has influence and everyone wins when a leader gets better. Hurry to register for the early bird special at willowcreek.org.au. Station sponsor.
Head to the iconic Fish on Flinders at Sandgate for the best seafood, gluten-free options, ice cream, Davella coffee, and 2 meals for the price of 1. Today, tomorrow, and Saturday only at station sponsor Fish on Flinders, 196 Flinders Parade, Sandgate. Fully licensed and open 7 days. Conditions apply.
The directors of VB Lawyers, Greg Black and John Vanderloo, are proud to announce the opening of their new Gold Coast office at Robina. Their old friend and colleague Sean Ryan has come on board as a director to run the branch, and the firm will change name from VB Lawyers to VBR Lawyers. VBR Lawyers are a leader in no-win, no-fee legal matters and ready to help now. For personal care and lower fees in Brisbane, Ipswich and the Gold Coast, VBR Lawyers a call on 1-800-316-716 or vbrlaw.com.au. Station sponsor.
Welcome to Organised for Life, your simple guide to living a more fulfilling life. Let me tell you about my friend Jane. Jane was a mother of 2 young kids. She worked part-time and was always busy. Before Jane had children, she was an avid reader. She would fly through a book in 2 days. She was such a fast reader. But since having children, Jane's time to herself has greatly diminished. Jane still reads whenever she can, but she's lucky if she can read a book in a month. Jane has a pile of books to read next to her bed. This pile has steadily been growing and growing. She looked at the pile and worked out it would take her 3.5 years to read all those books. Jane didn't want those books to sit there, gathering dust, not being read and fulfilling their purpose. So Jane did a cull. She was happy to keep enough books to last her through the next 6 months, knowing that more books were bound to come her way soon anyway. What does your to-read pile look like? Is it a realistic number, or is it time to be like Jane and pass them on? I'm Little Miss Organised.
Oh, I'm not passing my books on, get lost. I'm not doing that. I have a whole list of iBooks there, and I don't care if it takes me a lifetime to bloody read it. It would be different if I had kids. I'd be like, I know it will take a lifetime to read these, but if I had to watch the children grow up and read my books, I would have to probably put the kids first. Yeah, maybe I would pass books on, but look, I don't have kids, so what I do with my organised life is really my business, because I won't be affecting children that aren't born to me, unless they're around, like at church, which I don't often go to church. But if I'm not affecting children, then I'll pretty much do as I want. And if it takes me 3 years to read a book, a pile of books, then fair enough, that's what happens. Yuck. So yeah, everything's organised. I can just live and have a good day, and yeah. And hey, if I want to have a feed, I can put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Well, I'll be hanging up a hand towel in the bathroom on the